Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining the playable canvas. Pick your frame size and add a column layout grid so elements scale predictably. Once done, convert repeating headers, cards, and buttons into components so you maintain consistency. You must apply constraints on each key element: pin left, right, top, bottom, or center, because these tell Figma how to react when the frame resizes. Make sure to enable auto layout inside components. That's the foundation for responsive spacing and predictable behavior as content changes. Next, you arrange components with auto layout so items flow and adapt naturally. Choose horizontal or vertical direction, set padding, and define spacing between elements. Then combine constraints with percent-based widths and max/min sizes so panels and images resize proportionally. Once you nest components, create variants for responsive states like stacked versus inline. Make sure to test resizing manually. Use resize to fit and preview multiple breakpoints to see how spacing, wrapping, and to finish, you prototype breakpoints and preview interactions across device frames so you validate real behavior. Once complete, inspect for layout shifts. If something breaks, adjust constraints, add min or max width values, or refactor with auto layout to prevent overflow. If components misalign, check padding and nested constraints before changing size rules. Finally, document your responsive tokens and component rules so others reuse them. That prevents regressions and saves time when iterating on design or handing off to developers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.